Okay, in the last video we tried to see this working. Again, I managed to forget to actually save the file, so if I save this and then reload here, there we go. If we supply parameters last name equals blogs, we get data. If we don't supply a name, if it's empty, we get nothing at all. Or, well, obviously if we don't supply that, we get nothing. If I make a spelling mistake on there, again we get nothing. So it's actually working. So in this one, what I intend to do is, well, I don't really want an empty screen. What I want to do is actually return some JSON so that I can process that information. So I'm going to do that at the very bottom. Remember, all of this code here executes if it's true. So what I really need is, or what happens if it's not true, I need an else clause to perform that. Now the else clause is pretty straightforward. It's only the same as we have done in all the other files. As far as returning values, we need to say, well, we failed, we need some sort of message, and we need to echo it out as JSON. And it's so similar, I might as well just copy that and paste it in my else clause. Okay, let's just do a bit of formatting just to make it look better. However, I don't want to have sort of error, something is amiss. Really what I want to do is change this something is amiss to say, well, there's no parameter present. No parameter present. Okay, and then echo out the JSON. Remembering to save it this time before I run it. This time, if I make the mistake, last name, I've spelt it incorrectly. If I do that, I now get some JSON back. If I put, if I spell it correctly, but manage to miss off the name, I get information back. And if I put something in here, then I get my data back. So everything's working nicely and fine. However, it might be nice to know which one of these two actually failed, whether I hadn't supplied the parameter or if I hadn't supplied the value. So we're going to look at how to do that next.